So today was the Grand Canyon. Oh my goodness.
Unbelievable. You folks have not, if you've not been there, you've absolutely got to take the time and go and see it all, because it's Ohh Ahh. Oh.
Not Ohh Ahh. Ooh Ahh. Ooh
Ahh.
Ooh Ahh. Ooh Ahh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what it's Ooh Ahh. Hey everybody, welcome back.
Howdy.
So today was the Grand Canyon. Oh my goodness.
Unbelievable. You folks have not, if you've not been there, you've absolutely got to take the time and go and see it all, because
that is truly a bucket list thing that everybody's got to have on their list. The video you're going to see today doesn't do it justice.
Not at all.
We saw so much and have hours and hours of video. I have to condense it down in this little itty bitty part to share with all of you. But there was some magnificent views.
I never thought I'd get the chance to hike it.
Yes, and you're going to see that we actually hiked down.
Tried.
Well, we did very well. We did very well. We hiked down, not all the way to the bottom, of course, but we hiked down a good mile, about a mile, right?
Yep.
And then
Ohh Ahh. Oh.
Not Ohh Ahh. Ooh Ahh. Ooh
Ahh.
Ooh Ahh. Ooh Ahh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Yeah, that's what it's Ooh Ahh. It's Ohh Ahh Point. And that was a nice little hike down and was fairly, well, easy for both of us.
Yeah.
Wasn't bad. Going back up, however, Jo, great little trooper, well, she only weighs 110 pounds, so it's not much to carry her all the way up. Me, on the other hand, well,
I tried to Sherpa him.
Yeah, it didn't work.
It didn't work.
Let's just say that I'm a little out of shape and probably a little too heavy with my pack to get on up there, but I did it. I will admit the last, I would say, quarter of a mile, I stopped about every 200 yards just to catch my breath.
Yeah, but it was extremely hot.
Oh, it was. It was.
Extremely dangerous temperatures.
The park rangers were even saying it's the hottest they've ever seen up there.
Yeah.
Even in the Grand Canyon, it was, what, 98?
Yeah,
98?
I think it went down to 96, I don't know, at some point at the end of the day.
It was really, really hot that day. Fortunately, we had some parts in the shade, but most of it was not.
Nope.
Most of it was in the sun. So we had plenty of water and everything else, as you'll see. But we had so much fun doing it. We laughed.
You tried to lose me?
Yes. And
my sense of direction is impeccable.
Correct. Oh, yes. She was on a single path, but still got lost. We'll have a whole nother episode on why or how she always gets lost, but that's for another time.
Yeah.
Anyway, we hope you really enjoy this. Again, the pictures, the video doesn't do it justice. Although with the 360-degree camera, we got some really cool shots overlooking the cliffs, and you'll see how close to the cliffs we were standing, which might give you a little bit of a uneasy feeling in your gut. So don't worry, we're safe, we're fine, we're here, but we did get close to the edge on a few occasions.
Yeah, it was fun.
It was beautiful. It was just beautiful. So we hope you enjoy. We'll see you here in a second. Yeah. Excessive heat warning. pictures. Is that better? Oh, miles. Well, only 9 tenths of a mile from the first point, but yeah. I mean, you can see the trail go all the way around that point. We gotta come back and go up. We're going down. We're going right back down. Yeah, coming from the 15 minute. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh nice. A sign about throwing up. A sign about puking.
I think you're talking about the country.
Yeah, that's dangerous. What? Where? Oh. Easy, kid. He has no water. That's not good. What's this?
God, this is.
Here comes your buddy. Where do you carry my weight?
Go slow, honey.
I don't know. Yeah. Yep. So if this comes in focus, we're on the South Rim Trail. We're probably a half mile from Ohh Point. That big hike we did, we went down to Ohh Ahh Point. And that was about all I could do. Yeah. We'll blow you up. Another casualty of the Grand Canyon. But you'd be infamous. You should see your little devil horns on top of your head from back here. That's right. Yeah. So what did you guys think of that footage? Isn't that incredible? Just beautiful. Again, as good as the camera equipment I've got, it just doesn't do it justice. You've got to see it for your own eyes. So if you have never made it there, make that a must-do item.
Yeah.
Now I think
It's time for
the bucket, not the bucket, the Patriot Games. This is getting close to one of the last times we're going to be showing a video. We're getting to the end here. So let's go ahead and roll that footage and see if you guys know where this is.
Do you guys know where this is?
I do.
No, you taped it. You can't.
Well,
you can't.
I know I can't play.
Nope.
But
I can.
if you know where this is, leave your guess in the link below under the description. That is mybucketlistday.com/contest. That's where it will, or where you enter your guess. If you put it in the comments, you won't be registered to play. And one other thing, I have to say, when I say episode number, I even spell it out for you. For example, it's 2.15, 2.16, 2.17, 2.18, and so on. You don't have to spell out season, you don't have to spell out episode, and you don't have to put in the timestamp or anything like that. All you have to do is 2. and whatever episode this is. That's all. That's easy. What's happening is, as you guys are entering the incorrect information, it's kicking out all your guesses. And I want you to be able to play. So I'm actually going in there manually changing these.
Because he has all the time in the world.
Yeah, which
is nice.
Don't. And right now we're over 6,000 entries, so it's been fantastic. Everybody that's been
And there's
playing.
not a prize to be had.
Where'd they all go, Joe? I think I have to go on a scavenger hunt to find them all because she's hidden them all.
In my suitcases.
Fortunately, some of these manufacturers are shipping directly to the winner.
My house.
To the winner.
My house.
To the
My
winner.
house.
We'll work that out later. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed everything and are having fun playing the Patriot games. That's it for this episode.
Don't forget to click like, subscribe, and ring the bell.
I forgot about that. Thank you for reminding me.
I got you.
All right, I appreciate that. So thank you so much for joining us. And by the way, I do have a little goal. We're trying to hit 6,000 subscribers by the 4th of July. We're only 600 subscribers away. Think we can do it?
Absolutely.
So we need all of your help to click that little button and become a subscriber. Again, my goal is to hit 6,000 by the 4th of July. So appreciate all your help there. Well, that's it.
That's it.
Thanks, and make it a great bucket list day.
See ya.
See ya.
See ya.
Hey everyone, welcome.
Hi.
Did you wave?
Yeah, I did.
Oh, I like that.
Thank you.
Let's try that again. I thought maybe you were going like this.
I might go like this. I'm going to.
All right, here we go. And
We're back.
no, I have to say, now
Oh.
you say. Do you know where that is?
Oh, okay. Why can't I say we're back?
You can.
Okay. I want to say we're back. Do you know where this is?
All right, do it that way.